Welcome back to OC Outdoorsman. Well, this is my first freshwater trip of 2024, and I'm here at Laguna Niguel Lake. Now, this comprises two different videos, one here and the other at Irvine Lake, where I did a bit of carp fishing.
Fish on, baby.
It didn't take long. The lake had just stocked trout the day prior, so we were expecting it to be pretty good.
See? No tangles. See how easy that is?
Hey, dude, that's 2 pound test. Don't hold it up like that.
Oh, is it? You don't need 2 pound test here. Let me get the pliers.
Soon after that, Dave lands his first fish. So I'm grabbing the net to help him land this fish.
Decent fish.
That's a nice one.
Gosh. Decent fish they put in here.
All dirty.
So,
It's a good one.
yeah, birds don't eat these size, so that's why they're putting them in.
Yeah.
How nice is that one? Shut up.
This was Dave's lucky day. Here he's landing his first lightning of the trip, and he was just catching fish left and right on this trip.
You
You want me to move this line?
Yeah, you could take care of that. You can take care of it.
Here, this one's like, where's this one?
that
Oh, they're
on the-
all wrapped around.
Is that on the new power base?
See what you can do. It's fine.
Hand line him. Where?
Yeah, keep going that way. You got it. Just really fishing, Dave. It's really fishing. Don't worry about it.
This is like real tight on there. Get it back over. Yep.
And then back one.
Okay, back.
Pretty.
There we go. Wait. Oh, it's not gonna get off.
Just pull it in.
Just
Just pull it
net
in.
There we
Woo!
go. Pretty.
It's a nice one.
It's my fifth one.
Fifth.
Special Olympics featuring Dave P.
Oh, you got like some crazy
It is
knot
real-
going on here.
Just bring it
GoPro,
all
stop
out.
recording.
Told you the vibe was gonna pick up now.
What?
Told you. Just on now. It's gonna.
Oh, he's on that line.
Oh, dang it. Solid. This is on power bay, right?
Yeah.
Or which way are we going? Back that way now? Or are we gonna land him right here?
We gotta link it around him first. Bring your rod out here and get it off.
Another nice size one.
That one.
Yeah.
I was trying to circle around.
Anthony,
the
let's start
rod.
cleaning some fish. Yeah. Hey,
You
Kate,
guys
you want
can go
this one?
clean them.
Oh, I'm good. I'm probably.
I'll take 'em.
Since the
Oh,
vibe's
okay.
picking up, I want to catch some fish now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys keep an eye on my rod.
Where'd you cast out? Straight out?
Small one.
Nice.
Over my line.
Oh,
It's good sturgeon bait.
yeah, he's likely swallowed that puppy. You just break the. Let's see. Gotta go to that.
Here's some bonus footage of a prior trip to the lake where I land a nice hook jaw. Now, he put up a pretty good fight, so I'm going to edit this footage only because he would not come in and he swam off to my left and I had to follow him out of frame here. You'll see this in a second.
Look at this bad boy. Holy.
Well, I didn't catch it. Anthony did.
That is a nice fish.
Pink and white.
Pink and white. Can't go wrong. You want to give him to your neighbor?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This is what you call a fishy day. Nice sized trout. So if you got nothing to do, come down to Laguna Niguel. Every week until March, they're going to be stocking trout this size right here.
I hiked about a half mile, and look how empty it is. I'll be going off to that point there, where that second bench is, where I get my lines, and see if the fish are biting today. But look at this. No one at this lake on a Saturday. Okay, my 2 lines are now out, and it's just a waiting game. Quick update for those of you that are planning to fish out here at Irvine Lake. If you haven't been out here in a while, just found out yesterday that they changed the rules on this lake, which is pretty cool. You're allowed to fish with 2 rods now. For the longest time, well, at least ever since they reopened this lake, it's only been 1 rod per angler. So that has since changed. So the target fish for the day is carp, and for that I brought my surf fishing gear. So this is like a 12 or 13 foot rod with a 15-pound test, which would allow me to cast it out further. So here I hooked into something big, and unfortunately he spit the hook. Take a look at that rod tip. You can see that a fish is on there, so I'm just going to set the hook and bring this guy in. When it comes to carp fishing, I let everything go. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm about to release this carp back into the lake. Not more than 30 minutes later, I could see that rod tip moving. So here I'm just going to reel them in. Now I switched to number 4 circle hooks. And whenever you use that type of a hook, the fish just hook themselves. There's no need to set the hook. So at this point, I'm just going to reel this guy in.
Oh, he got one.
Oh, that's trout, right? Slowly stopping the infestation.
Oh no!
You guys keeping fish? You want them? Alright, fish number 2. Well, about 5, 6. I should have my scale.
About an hour later, take a look at my rod. There's definitely a fish on the line here, so again, because I'm using circle hooks, that guy is hooked on and he's not coming off.
Number 3. All right. Good for you. Okay. Time to let him go. All right. Staff just told me that the lake's about to close. We have to be out of here by 3:30, and it's about 3:15, so I'm going to pull my lines in and head back. Oh man, I almost had one, but he spit the hook.
Yeah, just as the bite was starting to pick up, the lake was closing. So that's one thing to remember about Irvine Lake. You need to be done by 3:30 p.m. So I'm just reeling in my lines, and it was a good day. If you ever want to go carp fishing, I highly recommend Irvine Lake. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you would, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.